What's going on, guys? Gabe with Review again. I hear you like to make money. A lot of money? Hopefully, it's a lot of money because we do not trade in the stock market to make family dollar kind of money. We're trying to make coke and hooker money, baby. So let's talk about parabolic SAR, stop and reversal. Let's get into the definition, then we'll get into the indicator, and then I will show you guys how you could use it to confirm your entry positions or your exit positions. This indicator you guys see here with the little dots there. Now, it serves two purposes, and we'll get into that in a second. But let's go into what the parabolic SAR indicator is. The parabolic SAR indicator developed by J. Wells Wilder. You guys know who J. Wells Wilder is? It's the same guy that gave us the RSI. The SAR indicator is used by traders to determine trend direction and potential reversals in price. The indicator uses a trailing stop and reverse method called SAR, or stop and reverse. You know, I'm just thinking DMX right now. Applejacks, cue the music. Stop, drop. Traders also refer to the indicator as a parabolic stop and reverse, parabolic SAR, or PSAR. The parabolic SAR indicator appears on a chart as a series of dots, either above or below. So let's go ahead and look at this. We see AMC stock. Now, we're not day trading AMC stock, but guys, the more indicators you're able to familiarize yourself with, the more you're able to make educated decisions on when to enter a play and exit a play. Now, in my previous video, I talked about the RSI with the MACD above the 200 moving average, and that would confirm an uptrend. But if we're looking to do intraday trades and make quick money and not family dollar money, guys, these indicators used together will make you money. Now, people like to use this with the stochastic indicator or the ADX indicator. I like to use it with the moving average indicator. However, in this example, you guys can see when there is a reversal in price, we get the red dot above, and it's letting you know that there is a reversal in price action. And then once that trend is over, we have the green dots below that are telling us price action is bullish. Currently on the AMC stock, we see another reversal. What do I look for in confirmation of entering a play? When I see one red dot, I'm not just jumping in, because you need a second to a third red dot to confirm. We can go ahead and take this and accompany it with the moving average, accompany it with the MACD and RSI to get your confirmation on the trend strength. When you see these dots, it tells you to go short. No one's shorting AMC stock, but you may short another stock. However, if you're a bull and you need confirmation on when to enter and ride this bad boy up, let me show you. The SAR indicator pops up at about 52.18 and it rides you all the way up to 52.78 before you get your first red candle and a trend reversal. Now, there's also another reason why to have the SAR, and that is stop losses. So you enter a trade here and you get a nice green candle. You get a red candle here. Where are you setting your stop loss? If we highlight the second dot here, we see that the stop loss should be at or about 52.07. It makes it fairly easy for you to enter your trade, set your stop loss, but more importantly, I did a video on position sizing, and this will help you allocate a proper position based on a stop loss where you guys don't necessarily have to figure out with a formula or just do percentages or something like that. This gives it to you, sort of kind of like a cheat sheet. So this is the parabolic SAR. It's not very, very complicated, but as you can see, fairly useful in helping you to identify trend reversals. If you're not using this, I think you should give it a try. I hope you guys learned something. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.